Okay, I'm going to walk you through the completion of this practice worksheet. And so basically everything is already plugged in, all the currency is there, your dates are already there. And so we just need to merge and center personal budget. You want to click in A1 and highlight over to D1, from A1 to D1. You're going to go up here on your ribbon right here in the middle and click merge and center. And then click in D4, and I'm going to show you some things slightly different from what we did in class, but because there's so many different ways of doing this. And so we're going to create a formula here that will add this balance to this deposit. So I'm in D4, I'm going to type my equal sign, click on 325, type my plus, and then click there on that deposit, and then hit enter. And then we're going to do that again here, but of course the math is different because this is going to be subtraction. This was a withdrawal. So equals, we'll click on that balance, minus, click on 40, and then hit enter. Now instead of doing it 2 more times, we can actually copy the same formula down. See this little dot right here? In the bottom right hand corner of that cell, we're going to click and hold and drag it down just 2 cells and then let go, and then click anywhere else. And we can check these by clicking here. Notice the formula there, equals D5 minus C6, and that's right. D5 C6. And then same thing here, that formula is correct. Here the formula changes. And yes, there's another way of doing this where we can actually highlight all the way down, but let's just take this one step at a time. So here I'm in D8, I'm going to click equals. We're going to click on our balance. This is going to be addition, and then click on that $50 and then hit enter. Now once again we have another pattern here where we have subtraction from row 9 all the way to row 12, and so we can just type that formula in, click in D8, minus that $230, click there, and then hit enter. And so we can move our cursor right over that dot right there in the corner of D9, click, hold, and drag all the way down to row 12, and then let go. And notice once again it provides the correct formulas in each one of these cells. So one more time, the pattern changes here. We got a deposit, not a withdrawal. So we're going to type our equal sign, we're going to click on that balance, type our plus sign because we have a deposit, click on the deposit, and hit enter. And once again we got another pattern going here. So we can type our equals, click there, and of course this is subtraction, and we're going to click on that $15 withdrawal and then hit enter. Click back in D14 again. We're going to do it one more time. See that little dot, move your cursor over it until your cursor turns into a plus sign, click, hold, and drag down to those 2 cells, and then let go, and then click anywhere else. It automatically fills in those numbers, the correct numbers. Like I said, you can click at them to check to make sure the formulas are correct, which they are. And so that's how you do that particular spreadsheet, that practice spreadsheet. If you have any questions, let me know.